So now that we have our black hole moving around according to ASWD, we want to make sure that our sprite falls down, right, our Earth sprite. And so we want it to start up at the top of the screen and fall downward. And the first step to getting that done is just to make one Earth fall down. And what we're going to do is when green flag is clicked, we're going to say looks, right, we want it to hide. And then we want to do a go to, right? So let's go ahead and move to the motion tag, the motion tab here, and say go to. On the Y, we're going to say a positive 190. That's going to 190, 180 is the top of the screen here, right? Negative 180 is the bottom of the screen. So if we do a positive 190, it's going to put the Earth just out of view, right? And then the X, let's go ahead and just make the X at 0 for now. We're going to change that later. And then we want it to fall down. So we're going to go ahead and do a repeat. Okay? And the repeat is going to go, I guess we can play around with it, but for now let's do 30. And we're going to go to motion and say change Y by -2. Okay? So let's see if that works. Oh, okay. So it kind of worked, but we hid the Earth. So we need to make sure that we show him, right? So after we move, we'll show him. After we move him to the top of the screen, out of view, we'll show, and then we'll make him fall down. All right, so that looks good. But we want to go ahead and repeat it more than 30 because we want him to fall all the way down. Right? So let's go ahead and change that to maybe 140 and see if that works better. We might need to change this a little bit more. Yeah, we're going to have to change it to maybe 170. And let's see if that works out. Okay, so just a little bit more, and just to make sure, we'll just change it to 200. And that's definitely going to fall off of the screen. Maybe not quite. So let's go ahead and change this to 210.